सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरोर्मूर्तिः पूजामूलं गुरोपदम् मन्त्रमूलं गुरोर्वाक्यम् मोक्षमूलं गुरोः कृपा। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। A very warm welcome to everyone to today's meditation session. A lot of people are going through many difficulties, and especially those who are affected by the virus, even when they have tested negative, or even when other symptoms have gone, then coughing and chest congestion is a common problem. And we do need something which can really energize the chest area and also energize the body so that the recovery becomes easier and faster. And when people feel healed from within, then the body starts following. And this is a common thing which is known. In allopathic medicine, we find that two people are given the same medicine, they have the same symptoms, the same issues, but their recoveries differ. Why is there a difference? Because there is a difference in their mental makeup, their openness to receive, their willingness to improve, and the kind of fighting capacity they have or resistance they have to the disease and the willpower that is there. So what is it that we can help ourselves with in these times? So there is this principle of soul healing which says that everything has a soul. Every single cell in our body has a soul. Why should it be so? Because the concept of Atma in the Indian tradition is that the Atma is the divine fragment within us. When this divine fragment leaves, then everything is gone. All functions stop. This body which has this energy or glory or beauty or whatever, the charm about it, it just begins to rot and we just take the body out and dispose it off. So if we look at it more closely, every single cell, if we examine, every single cell is performing lakhs and lakhs of functions. And one of the most important or amazing functions is that a cell knows how to die, because it dies and it is replaced by another cell. So there is tremendous intelligence even in a cell, and a cell is programmed to do certain functions. So it has a lot of knowing. And people who are being sick, if they live in an environment where there is a lot of chanting or healing happening, there is a positive environment, then the same cells which are diseased, they become all right. So why? Because the cell inherently knows how to change, how to heal. It has tremendous intelligence and understanding. And that is where soul healing says even a cell has a soul of itself. And how do we make it happen? How can we make a cell which is not functioning properly start behaving properly? Is by a simple thing that we send it our love and respect. In worldly relationships, which relationships are good? Only those relationships are good which are based on mutual trust, acceptance, and love. So that is why in soul healing, the basic principle is that anything you want to heal, it will heal itself. You have to ask it to heal. You have to let it know that it has the power to heal. And you have to say it with love. So for example, if there is a pain in my knee, I will say, oh dear soul, mind and body of my knee, I love you. You have the power to heal. Please do a good job. And even if we send our love or loving vibration to the knee begins to heal itself. That is the power of love, and that is the power of the divine intelligence which has been given to every limb, every tendon, every tissue, every bone, every cell. And it is said that the kind of transition that we are experiencing today, this transition is about a shift from the masculine to the feminine. What are the qualities of the masculine? Assertion, power, domination. These things characterize our life. We take from the universe or from the earth whatever we want, even without asking. We don't have a sense of gratitude for it. And that is why there has to be a shift. This shift which is happening, the lockdown or the challenges, this is a shift to love. We need to have become or to nurture the divine feminine. Every single person is a combination of the divine masculine and the divine feminine. Our society, our nation, our culture, that the kind of things that we have to come to have, they place a premium on the masculine part. The more you can have, the better it is. But the shift has to come to the divine feminine part. Become a mother. A mother always loves all her children. In fact, that child who is weak, the mother loves more. The father will love that child more who is better performing. But the mother will love that child more who is weak. So we need to develop that qualities of the mother, the divine feminine. And that the divine masculine and the divine feminine both are residing inside us as us. But it depends upon what we are paying our attention to in the given moment. And that aspect will come to the fore. So if we really are faced with a challenge where there is a lot of hard work required, we will have to invoke the divine masculine. But we are all sitting at home with a lot of time on our hands. So it is time to invoke the divine feminine and become more giving. What is it that we can give to others? We can give others our love. We can give others our consideration, our blessings, our good wishes. And that is how we can serve a lot. So this is where the soul healing provides a certain breakthrough. So we will do a certain exercise or a practice today of healing through the principle. But let us come to another aspect. Soul healing says that even if you want to heal yourself, suppose you want to do the Mahamrityunjaya mantra, the mantra has the power, but the mantra also has a soul and a mind and a body. So invoke the mantra. If you want to do something for somebody, invoke that process. The dear soul and mind and body of the mantra, Mahamrityunjaya mantra, I want you to give a healing to Mr. So-and-so who is sick. Please do a good job. And you will find that whatever chanting you do, it becomes more effective. And the other thing is that when we give healing, when we are trying to serve some other people, when you are using these methods, you are not doing it yourself. These are divine powers. These are divine sounds. They will do it. They will do their job. So you just give them a command that please do it. And they will also know what is appropriate. That is why there are a lot of people who are into healing. And sometimes they suffer. I used to be a Reiki master and a healer at times long ago. And then there were people whom I just heal. But I put my intention, I just visited them or saw them and I saw them suffering. And there was this great, intention that arose that this person should become all right. His suffering should be reduced. And when I gave that healing, the suffering got reduced. But a lot of suffering came onto me. And there were 1 or 2 occasions when I just escaped death. So it is like this, that when we use our intention to heal others, in history there is this example that when Humayun was once very sick, his father Babur sat by his bedside and told God that let you spare this boy, you take my life. And sure enough, Humayun became all right and Babur died sometime later. So this is the kind of exchange that happens when we do it with our intention. But when we just invoke the powers inherent in these divine mantras and other things and ask them to do the healing, they would know what is most appropriate. Life and death is in the hands of God. But reducing suffering, there is a lot we can do. But instead of doing it ourselves, we can always hand over the reins or the power to the divine instruments that let them do it. Because when after I had suffered a lot on these 2 occasions, Professor Mungle at Kolhapur told me one day, he said, you should stop healing. And then I told him, sir, I don't know. When I see people suffering, I feel my heart melts. I want to do something for them. And then he said, you want to do something for them, you chant for them. You decide that I will do so many Guru Gitas for this person and do it. And before doing that Guru Gita, invoke the divine and say, God, you please take care of this man, this Guru Gita recitation. The merit of this Guru Gita recitation is for this person. I said, God will know what to do, what is best for that man. Because many times suffering comes because God wants people to learn certain lessons. And then he said, if you take away the suffering of a person, and by interfering in his karma, then those lessons will not be learned. So you have not actually helped that person. And here I would like to share something else which Mr. Soli Tavariaji had once said about helping others. Somebody very close to him asked him, how do you help other people? You are a master, you can do anything. And he said, it is very difficult to explain, but let me give you an example. Suppose we go out for a picnic and you have a few glasses of beer, you are in a very high spirit, and we are taking a walk in the park or a resort, and you see a tree and you start climbing. I know that you are going to fall down and you will be hurt. Now, here are the three scenarios. He said, if I know that you will fall down and you will sprain your leg badly, and for the next 3 days you will be just limping around, I will tell you, don't climb. And if you don't listen to me, I will hold your hand and will not allow you to climb. The matter ends there. But if I know that you are going to fall down and you will fracture your leg, surgery will have to be performed. An iron chip will have to be inserted to keep the two pieces together. And for 3 months, you will be miserable, and then things will become all right. Then I will tell you, please don't climb. But if you do not listen to me, I will not stop you. And then he said that this is the third scenario, that if I know that you are going to climb and you will fall down and you will damage your spine, and for the rest of your life you will be wheelchair bound, then I will not even tell you not to climb. So this gentleman told him कि this is ये तो उल्टी गंगा है. कि when I am going to suffer the most, you will not say anything, you will not even warn me. Then what's the fun of having you by my side? And this is what Tavariyaji told him. He said, look, my friend, if you are going to suffer so much, that means some very grave karma has matured. It is like a heat-seeking missile that is following an aircraft. It's going to hit it anyway. Now, I can stop it. But there are only two ways to do it. I can postpone the hit. The missile is following you. I can save you for now, but the missile is there. It has already been released. And it will keep following you. It will hit you in another life. But this life, I am there with you. So it is better it hits you now, here and now. Because I am with you, I will give you the energy and the understanding to lead your life even when you are crippled. You will not suffer from depression. You will be crippled only in the body, but not in the mind. Most people suffer more in the mind when they are crippled. So he said, this is the service I can render. So the whole point of sharing this is that we are here in extraordinary times. People are suffering. So what can we do? So we can offer them our love, our understanding, and whatever service we can do by way of asking some divine instruments to help them and heal them. This is what we can do to everybody. And how can people serve? You know, there's this very heart-moving story of a lady, a Hindu doctor, who recited Kalma into the ears of a dying Muslim woman in the hospital. And the doctor shared that this lady was not able to transit from her body. And only when she recited this, within just a few breaths, she became quiet and still, and she was gone. This is a great service. It's no ordinary service. So this is the kind of help that we can do by our intention to everyone around, because these are grave challenging times, and there is not a single person who is either not suffering himself in some way or the other, or his near and dear ones are not suffering. So coming back to the soul healing principle, that we have to invoke, there is a soul in everything, and we have to invoke the soul and talk to that soul and let it heal. There is a very beautiful instrument of healing, which I am going to share on my screen. For those who do not know, many of you have attended Master Uma Rajan's sessions. Can you see what is there on the screen? Can everyone see? Just raise your thumb, give a thumbs up. Pandeyji, you can see? Yes. Okay, thank you. So it is what? It is nothing but a divine code which was given to a Chinese master in a moment of communion with the divine, with God. And these are nothing but the Chinese numbers, 3396815. And how is 3 pronounced? San, San. In English and Hindi, the pronunciation is given down below. San, San, Jo, Liu, Ba, Ya, Wu. And you can all feel where is San, San. You can put your hands on your chest. So you will not be able to see me. Can you? You will not be able to see me. And just put your hands on the chest and say, San, 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 San. Can you feel the sound vibrating in the chest? If you feel, send me a message in the chat box. Now I don't see the chat box. Can anybody feel the sound San, San in the chest? Put your hands on your chest.
Ji sir, Ji sir.
Okay. But nobody else is responding. You can unmute yourself, please, because it is important. Yes, Gogia ji?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
go, sir. We can
Yes, sir. We are able to feel, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then come to Joe. Where is Joe? You can see this figure.
Joe.
So San San is in the chest area. Joe is
below the navel.
Figure 9. So below the navel. So you put your hands below the navel and say Joe. Joe. Put your hands, palms one upon the other, below the navel. Joe. 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 Can you feel that? Yes. Then Liu. You can put your cover the area, put your hands on the sides and feel the ribs. Liu, feel the ribs. Put your hands on the sides and feel the ribs. Can you feel Liu in the ribs? Liu. Rao Sahab, can you feel it? Yes. Liu. So San, San, Jo, Liu, and then put your hand on the palm on the navel and say Ba, Ba. Can you feel the sound? Ba, 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 Ba. Then you can put your hand on the top of the head. You can see and say yeah. You may not feel it that strongly, but the vibration is there below the skull. Yeah. And then comes Wu, the last one. You put your palms above the navel. Above the navel, one above the other. Put your palms one above the other, above the navel, and say Wu. Can you feel the vibration there? पांडे जी नीचे नेवल के ऊपर हाथ रखिए. So it is like this, that this mantra is that when you say San San, the energy starts vibrating in both the lungs and the heart. Then Jo, it comes down to the lower abdomen. Then Liu, it goes to the entire, it radiates from this point to the rib cage. Then you say Ba, it comes to the navel. And then you say Ya, so it goes to the top of the head. And then you say Vu, it comes to the upper abdomen. So the way the energy is circulating, it is covering all the important organs of the body. And it is doing it in a zigzag manner. San, San, chest, Jo, lower abdomen, Liu, the rib cage, then Ba, navel, then the head, and then back to the upper abdomen. So every single important organ within the body is being touched by the flow of energy. The sound is flowing there. So that is why it can become a very good healing mantra. So when you do this, you don't look for, there are mantras which give you a lot of spiritual upliftment and understanding. Forget about that. Here is a simple thing which can give you a lot of healing. And when you project this mantra onto a person whom you want to heal, it begins to vibrate there by the power of your thought and your projection. And it provides a very good healing there. So are you ready for this, practicing this? Okay. So what we can do is, I will stop sharing. I will just say it loudly and you can follow me. So we'll just try it out. I can, no, maybe I will show it for the time being. So what you can do is just keep your focus on the screen and you can repeat with me. San, San, Jo, Liu, Ba, Yo, Vu. San, San, Jo, Liu, Ba, Ya, Vu. San, San, Jo, Liu, Ba, Ya, Vu. Now, see, if you, at home, if you do it, you can do it very slowly and you can feel the energy radiating in the first, beginning from the chest, San, San. Then you say Jo, you can feel the light there. Liu, then you can feel the rib cage. Ba, the navel. Ya, the head. And Vu, the upper abdomen. But when you just chant it like this, what you can do is that you can feel that there is light energy which is percolating inside your body. And it is radiating. There is some vibration which is improving. Your energy and the frequency of your body is improving. So this is the kind of visualization you can do. So we chant it together for some time. Just keep following me. San, San, Jo, Liu, Ba, Ya, Vu. 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 San, San. Now you can close your eyes. San, San, Jo, Liu, Ba, Ya, Vu. 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 Sansanjoli Vayavu, 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 Sansanjoli Vayavu. Now you can stop for a while. With eyes closed, see how you feel. And who would like to share what you feel just now? Anybody wants to share something? Nobody?
There is a ball of energy in front of the eye.
Sir, ma'am, Kapila wants to say something.
Shashi, boliye.
I just felt more alert.
You felt more alert. And who said there was a ball of energy?
Sir, I was lost. Sir, wait, sir. Sharma ji. Sir, Sharma ji.
Sharma ji. Shashi, boliye. Why have you switched off your...
No, actually, मैं सुबह प्राणायाम योगा 1.5 घंटा करती हूँ ना, तो I was already feeling good, but with this I started feeling more alert.
Yes. Yeah. Sharma ji, boliye.
I saw a ball of energy getting bigger in front of the eyes.
In front of the eyes. So wonderful. That's a great experience. Actually, this mantra, or any mantra for that matter, is made up of, it is sound. But sound is one form. The other form is light. It's energy. And how we experience that energy. Sometimes when you chant the mantra, you experience it in the form of vibrations within the body. Sometimes you see it as light. It is wonderful. Now you see, when you see the light, you can just send this light, project this light onto your own body. You want to heal your body? So some body part needs healing, some physical problem is there. You can even ask it to heal an emotional problem, a relationship problem. Anything can be healed. You just use it and just ask it to do this. Shilpa, would you like to share something? अपने को unmute करो.
ओके सर, अच्छा लग रहा है.
अच्छा लग रहा है. Shilpa is the one who took me to Gurumai so many years ago. So I am in her debt for all my life.
Sir, Asha Mehra ji, I think she unmuted herself.
Madam, boliye ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Namaste, ma'am.
Ma'am, you... Yes.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Actually, I missed a lot because the internet connection went off.
Ji.
So I'll have to do it again once you will put it on the YouTube.
कोई बात नहीं मैम, हम लोग इसको YouTube पे डाल देंगे.
So what I did was, while this was away, I started doing my own mantra jap which my Guruji has given me. Because this internet connection went off.
कोई बात नहीं.
There was some error.
नहीं तो ठीक है. You did the next best thing.
Yeah, next best was what the mantra that he gave. I started doing that, but I couldn't. I only from the graph, I could know which places to place your hands on.
Ma'am, what we will do is, I will place this picture which I was showing.
Yeah.
I will place this on the Telegram group.
Okay.
So there, all the areas are given. When we say san, it is the chest. You can feel it just now. You see, say san, and you put your hands on your chest. San. And then Jo. Jo, you put your hands on the lower abdomen and you feel Jo there. Jo. And then you feel the rib cage, put your hands on the rib cage and you say Liu. Liu. So it is rib cage. Then the navel, ba is navel. Ba is navel. And then when we say ya, it is the top of the head. And then when we say vu, it is the upper abdomen. Vu.
I got the ya. Huh? Yeah, I got again in Sansa. I got in between. I lost the connection.
No, it's all right.
Anyway, thank you.
We'll put it there. Thank you. So now, can we just, is anybody prepared for one more experiment who can just do it fast with me? Would somebody like to be sort of pinned here and everybody can follow? Ajay, you want to do that?
Sir, Vijay Sharma ji ने अपना hand raise किया है.
तो विजय जी को आप कर दीजिए पिन मेरे साथ. Let us try with Vijay.
सर नमस्कार.
जी सर. जी सर.
नमस्ते विजय.
सर मैंने ऐसा फील किया कि मेरी पूरी बॉडी में एक्सपेंशन हो रहा है एनर्जी का. पूरी बॉडी expand हो रही है.
It is a wonderful experience, Sharma ji, because all the parts of the body were being energized. The pranic energy with the sound, it activates the prana. So when the pranic energy expands, you feel expansion in the body. What you are feeling was the pranic body. You were feeling the subtle body which is there behind the physical body. So you're aware, you became more aware of the pranic
Still
body.
I am in that position. And still I am in that position.
Still, okay. You enjoy your state. So anybody, I just want anybody who can just come and do it with me. We do it fast. We'll do it fast. Nobody? No volunteers? Vandita? Okay. Vandita and Mohsin are ready. हेमा उनको पिन कर दीजिए.
जी सर.
बाकी लोग जो नहीं भी आए हैं वो अलग से वहाँ साथ में करें. हमारे रश्मि आप साथ में कर लीजिए.
Sir, one HP is there. I don't know where he went. I think he's Ajay. Ajay ji is there. Ajay. I'm adding him also. Okay. Where is Vandita?
Ajay, nice.
I will add Vandita also.
Okay.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
also do, sir.
Who is this? Can you please say your name, please?
Grish, ma'am.
Grish
Gogia.
Okay, Gogia ji. Okay. Okay. So I think we can't have more now. We have 6 already.
We cannot have more persons. And everybody, please follow. So what we are going to do is, I will just give you a brief glimpse of that. When we just chant the mantra, San San Jolyu Bayu, go faster, faster, faster. And if we are able to let go of this mantra, then the sounds disappear and a different kind of sound begins to come. And this sound is unique to every person. Hema ji, we can unpin Sharma ji because he is in a meditative state. So let him be there. So what we can do is that we do it very fast, and then at some point of time, if we let go of the mantra, then a different sound starts coming from inside. And that is known as soul language. So I'll just give you a brief glimpse of that. Like if I do it fast, so we start with San San Jolyu Bayo, 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 San San Jolyu Bayo. Now it's a different sound that comes. But this is a unique sound. Everybody will have a different sound. So I know there are some people who have done it. Nazia has done it. Hema has done it. GC Srivastava has done it. So everybody has their different sound, but this is becomes the sound of your soul. This is the voice of the soul which is coming out. And over a period of time, it may vary slightly, but most of the time it will remain the same. So it is like if you go to a Tibetan monastery, I don't know how many of you have gone, and there are these hundreds of monks chanting. And what is the sound that you hear when they are chanting together? It's a very guttural kind of thing. Something like this goes on. So this is how it comes, you know, when you are doing something very fast, so you don't hold on to the actual words, then something else starts unfolding. So we are going to try.
Sir, we can't hear you, sir. Sir, we can't hear you.
Now can you hear me?
Yes, ji, sir.
Yes.
So I will request all the people who are on the spotlight, they have to unmute themselves.
Vijay you have to unmute and
Mohsin
do it.
Yes.
So we start. Sansanjoliu Bayavu, 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 Sansanjoliu Bayavu. Keep on going fast, faster. Sansanjoliu Bayavu, 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 Sansanjoliu Bayavu. There you are already there. You just keep going on faster. Sansanjoliu Bayavu, 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 faster, Sansanjoliu Bayavu, 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 Sansanjoliu Bayavu,
Liu.
Now you can stop. So, what was it like, Ajay? Can you speak?
Something flowing in body.
I think it just came out of you, isn't it?
Yes.
Huh?
Like, sir, a river.
Bolo beta.
Something like flowing like a river in the
Something
body.
flowing like a river. It started coming out of you. Very good. Very nice. Brigadier साहब आप कुछ बोलेंगे? नहीं, you have unmuted yourself. You have to.
So you have to unmute.
Unmute. Sorry.
Yes. Yes, sir. As we go faster, I think at one stage the words merge, and suddenly go to different state and the different sort of.
You got it.
Actually. I got it.
You got it very well.
I got it, and then you are in a different state. You are not bothered about what is happening. you enjoy that, and you keep carrying on.
Yes. वंदिता जी कैसा लगा? आप अपने को
सर बहुत हीट, फेस और हैंड्स और हीट बहुत ज्यादा थी, बॉडी पूरा जैसे हीट वैसे बढ़ गया था, एनर्जी जैसे बढ़ गई बहुत ज्यादा।
लेकिन आप शब्द नहीं छोड़ पाए।
बिल्कुल गर्म जैसे अभी
गर्म हो गया वो है, लेकिन शब्द से आप परे नहीं जा पाई। यू वर चैंटिंग स्टिल कि सान सान जोलियू बायाबू आप बोलती रही थी।
जी सर।
हाँ
जी सर।
तो थोड़ा सा आप अपने अकेले में बैठकर ये अभ्यास करिएगा कि डू इट फास्ट एंड सी इफ यू कैन लेट गो ऑफ द वर्ड्स। यू गेट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? हाँ, मोहसिन आपके लिए भी है कि यू सी यू हैव टू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
जी सर।
हाँ, आप भी बोलते रहे ये मंत्र को कि सान सान जोलियू बायाबू।
जी सर।
लेकिन इसको इतना फास्ट करते जाना है, रुकना नहीं है। तो बार बार जब हम कहीं रुक जाते हैं, अंदर से क्या होता है कि वी आर ट्राइंग टू रिमेम्बर कि क्या बोलना है, और उसमें हम रह जाते हैं। उसमें रहना नहीं है, उसमें इतना फास्ट बोलते जाना है, संजोली बायू, संजोली बायू, संजोली बायू, संजोली बायू, संजोली बायू, एंड देन suddenly something else takes over. This happened to Brigadier Saab and Ajay here.
Actually, sir, sound जब हम chanting कर रहे थे, तो वो एक वाइब्रेशन आ रहा था, जो माइंड जो है वो थोड़ा सा ऊपर कहीं जा रहा था।
ऊपर कहीं जा रहा है। हाँ, तो वो भी आएगा। वो साउंड क्या है, वो जितने आपके बॉडी पार्ट्स हैं वो सब एक्टिवेट हो रहे थे।
हाँ, तो
इस मंत्र से तो उसको आपको अच्छा लग रहा था कि वो एनर्जी ऊपर ले जाए।
ऊपर जा रहा है, तो मैं उसको फॉलो करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि
वो भी अच्छा है, बट यू गॉट इन्वॉल्व्ड समवेयर एल्स। द आइडिया वाज टू रिमेन फोकस्ड ऑन द वर्ड एंड देन लेट इट गो, देन समथिंग एल्स कैन इमर्ज।
मैं लगता है कि थोड़ा सा लिफ्टिंग हो गया था। मैं
कोई बात नहीं, ये एक दिन में सबका नहीं होता है, कुछ लोगों को महीनों लग जाते हैं। तो ये तो हम लोग बड़े मतलब लकी हैं कि जैसे 2 लोगों का एक फर्स्ट सेशन में ब्रेक थ्रू हो गया। रश्मि, यू वांट टू से समथिंग?
सर, अजय also Phil wants to say something later.
हाँ.
So I will remove the spotlight from the.
Can I say now?
हाँ. We can hear you, Rashmi.
I felt vibration in upper body part, but lower body part it was not felt so that way. But upper body part, I felt vibration very strongly.
Rashmi, what happens is that the mantras know where healing is needed.
Okay, actually, I was concentrating more on words. That's my fault. Which you declared.
So ultimately, you know, GC श्रीवास्तव भाई साहब, आप बताएंगे कैसे आपका छूट गया एकदम शब्द प्रैक्टिस में?
As you the chanting becomes intense, and the faster, then the words leave you. You have to leave the words. And then you go on chanting. Words are not there. Only sound is there. And then if you follow that sound for some more time, then a little different soul language emerges.
That is the trick. So anyway, I'm giving you some homework to everyone for this.
Sir,
Ajay, you wanted to say something? Something else?
Sir, I want to say something.
Please go ahead.
Actually, what happened is I was still saying the word, though I didn't leave the words, but with the words itself, it started just levitating, going upwards, my neck and head and everything, just pulling upwards. It started pulling upwards, but I didn't leave the words yet.
It's fine. It's a matter of, trying. When you keep trying, then it happens. Maybe, the next Saturday we can do it again and win some more people and try and work with them. हाँ मैडम बोलिए जी।
क्या चैंट जरूरी है, मन में नहीं कर सकते हैं? क्या चैंटिंग जरूरी है, मन में नहीं कर सकते? हम चैंट हम मन में कर रहे थे, इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग सैनसेन जोल्यू बायावू, हम उसको मन में कर रहे थे।
मन में करने से क्या होगा कि वो आपकी सोल लैंग्वेज नहीं निकलेगी।
ओके,
टू ब्रिंग द सोल लैंग्वेज आउट, यू हैव टू से इट।
ओके,
because if you are doing it in the mind, then you will not be able to let go of the words. Then there are two things in soul healing. What they say is that when you chant silently, then you are providing healing at a very subtle level. But if you want to heal the body at the gross level, then do it loudly.
Okay.
Then the larger cells are being healed. They are agitated. Okay. And when you do it on a subtle level, then the small spaces inside, they will be healed. And also when you are lying down on bed, then do it silently.
Okay. Because I am feeling very gentle vibrations all over my body.
Yeah. So that is true. This is very powerful. See, everybody who has done it, they have had some experience or the other of the power of the mantra. So this is one step ahead. You use this and you can go into soul language. So then what you can do is, when it comes to healing somebody, you just do the soul language.
Right.
Like for some people, initially what will happen, you will still have to do with the mantra. Begin with this and then you can let go of the mantra and go into soul language. And when people become proficient, then they can just break into the soul language. And at some point of time, if a person gets very much rooted or grounded in the soul language, then sometimes even the soul language, which is a kind of a guttural sound, that is lost and a kind of a song emerges. So this is a soul song, and every soul will have a unique song. Like a soul has unique language, it has a unique song. So then all these things can be used for healing one's own self and for others. So I think we have...
Sir, I will, Ajay was here, maybe he raised his hand. Ajay, you want to say something? I think he dropped connection.
No, he's very much there. His window is there, HP.
Ajay, but can you?
We can't hear him.
Okay.
So if he comes back. So there is one thing that we tried something and we felt energy vibrations. Do you really want to experience of a kind of a small session of healing of you by using this mantra?
जी सर
नहीं, 1 घंटा हो गया इसलिए मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. Are people willing to stay? Should we continue or should we close?
We should continue, sir.
We should continue.
Continue, uncle.
We should continue for 10-15 minutes.
So okay. So just take a comfortable posture and preferably your spine should be erect, and if you are sleeping, like Suman is not well, so she can lie down. Now we are going to use the power of the mantra to do some healing. You want a healing in any body part? or you want to heal somebody who is sick, whatever. So you can use it to do whatever you want, or you want to heal some relationship, whatever. So we will begin with an invocation. Dear soul, and you can repeat after me, wherever you are. Dear soul, mind and body of the mantra, San San Jo Liu Baya Wu. I love you. I honor you and I appreciate you. I bow down to you. You have the power to heal. Please offer healing to, if you want to heal your body part, you name the body part. Like if there is a kidney problem, you can say, please heal my kidneys. If there is a heart problem, you can say, please heal my heart, the blockage in the heart. If you want to heal some relationship, you can say that, please heal my relationships. And if you want to heal somebody else, then you say, please heal so and so, take the name and give the condition. Please heal this condition of my friend or relative. And then we say, please do a good job. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And now we will all chant. Wherever you are, just chant. San San Jo Liu Baya Wu. 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 And as you chant, wherever you want healing, you feel this energy and light going and healing that area, that relationship, that space, that person, the body part of that person. San San Jo Liu Baya Wu. 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 Sanjoli Vaya Boo, 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 Sanjoli Vaya Boo. Sanjoli Vaya Boo, 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 Sen San Jo Liu Baya Hu, 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 Sen San Jo Liu Baya Hu. In soul healing, we say how, which means it's very good, very good, very good. And we also say thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, dear soul, mind, and body of the mantra, San San Jo Liu Baya Hu, for having come to our rescue and for giving us and our near and dear ones healing. We are so grateful. We can never thank you enough. Thank you, thank you, thank you.